Being your highest self is about aligning with your true values, purpose, and potential. It involves embracing your strengths, addressing your weaknesses, and living a life that feels meaningful and authentic. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you on this journey. Number 1. Self-awareness. Know yourself. Reflect on your values. Identify what matters most to you. Values like honesty, compassion, or creativity can guide your decisions and actions. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. Recognize what you excel at and where you may need improvement. Use this self-knowledge to navigate your path effectively. Mindfulness practices. Meditation. Regular meditation can enhance your self-awareness and help you stay grounded. Journaling. Writing about your thoughts and feelings can provide clarity and insight into your true self. Number 2. Set clear intentions. Define your purpose. Vision statement. Create a personal mission statement that outlines your long-term goals and aspirations. Short-term goals. Break down your vision into actionable short-term goals that align with your purpose. Align actions with intentions. Consistency. Ensure your daily actions are in harmony with your long-term goals. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant progress. Adapt and adjust. Be flexible and open to adjusting your goals as you grow and evolve. Number 3. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with supportive people. Build a strong support network. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you. Communicate openly. Foster healthy communication and be honest about your needs and feelings. Practice empathy and kindness. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in others' perspectives and experiences. Offer support. Be there for others and contribute positively to their lives. Number 4. Embrace growth and learning. Pursue continuous learning. Seek knowledge. Always be curious and open to new experiences and information. Embrace challenges. View obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. Self-improvement. Develop new skills. Invest in learning new skills that align with your goals and interests. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism can provide valuable insights into areas for improvement. Number 5. Prioritize well-being. Physical health. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities that you enjoy and that keep you healthy. Healthy eating. Maintain a balanced diet that supports your energy levels and overall health. Mental and emotional health. Manage stress. Utilize stress management techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or hobbies. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling with mental health issues. Number 6. Live authentically. Be true to yourself. Honor your authentic self. Make decisions that reflect who you truly are, rather than conforming to external expectations. Express yourself. Share your thoughts, feelings, and creativity with confidence. Practice integrity. Stay true to your values. Make choices that align with your core beliefs and principles. Be honest. Uphold honesty in your interactions and self-reflection. Number 7. Give back. Contribute to others. Volunteer. Engage in activities that help others and contribute to your community. Share your knowledge. Mentor or guide others based on your experiences and expertise. Cultivate gratitude. Acknowledge the positive. Regularly recognize and appreciate the good things in your life. Express thanks. Show gratitude to those who have supported and inspired you. With all this being said, being your highest self is a dynamic and ongoing process. It requires continuous self-reflection, growth, and commitment. By integrating these practices into your life, you can cultivate a more fulfilling, authentic, and purposeful existence. Remember, the journey to becoming your highest self is as important as the destination, and every step you take is a step towards a more vibrant and aligned version of yourself.